Morning, students. We are studying the chapter from democratic politics. The chapter is what is democracy, why democracy. So in the previous few videos we have got the answer what is democracy. Many points we have added in the definition, basic definition of the democracy. Then we have started why democracy. So first thing we have started arguments for democracy. So we came to know from that argument that a democratic government is a better government because it is more accountable form of government. It is answerable, reliable, responsible. So let us begin from page number 33, this paragraph. There is another reason why democracy should lead to better decisions than any non democratic government. So, other reasons are also there. Not only this one reason that it is more accountable, so many other reasons are also there that democracy leads to better decisions than any other government. So, how in democracy it is possible that better decisions are there, we will study. Democracy is based on consultation and discussion. When a democratic government is there, it is not like at once they are going to decide anything. They are supposed to consult many people, they are supposed to consult various people and take discussions and have discussions. A democratic decision always involves many persons, discussion and meetings. So it is not in a one day that a decision can be taken. It takes time, it takes discussion, meetings, etc. एंड वी ऑल नो दैट कि हेस्ट में, हरी में कोई भी काम ठीक से नहीं होता. इफ़ वी डू अ थिंग after thinking over it, then it is better. When a number of people put their heads together, they are able to point out possible mistakes in any decision. If you are alone making any decision, if all five people are sitting and they all are discussing upon that thing and they are searching out the mistakes, then that thing can lead to a better decision. This takes time, but there is a big advantage in taking time over important decisions. This reduces the chances of rash and irresponsible decisions. So if we are taking time, to decide upon something, that means बाद में पछताने से अच्छा है पहले ही उस पर डिस्कस कर लो. Thus, democracy improves the quality of decision making. Then, because of the process in the democracy, decision making is improved. This is related to the third argument. This second argument we have studied now, that is related to third argument also. Democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. So how democracy डिफरेंसेस के साथ और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, जैसे आपस में किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनके साथ कैसे डील करती है. In any society, people are bound to have differences of opinions and interest. अब किसी भी सोसाइटी में आप देख लो, हर जगह डिफरेंसेस तो होंगे ही. आप अपनी फैमिली में ही देख लो, देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंस इन योर थिंकिंग एंड इन योर पेरेंट्स थिंकिंग. ऑब्वियसली इवन योर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, they also have differences. So in the society also people have differences and different interests. These differences are particularly sharp in a country like ours which has an amazing social diversity. So ये जो differences हैं, opinion के differences हैं, they are sharp, they are deep in the country we live in because we have social diversity. We have a lot of diversity in our country. That's why यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है. People belong to different languages, practice different religions and have different castes. So these are the differences. Religion भी different है, caste भी different है, language भी different है. They look at the world very differently and have different preferences. Everyone का नज़रिया, सबका नज़रिया क्या है, different है, right? सबका नज़रिया different है और उनकी preferences भी different है कि वो क्या prefer करते हैं, what they want. The preferences of one group can clash with those of other groups. Whatever we are preferring, दूसरे ग्रुप के लिए वो गलत हो सकता है. सपोज देखो, एक एग्जाम्पल है, यू आर लिविंग इन अ फैमिली, यू वॉन्ट टू गो आउट एट नाइट, ठीक है, दैट इज़ योर प्रेफरेंस, आप जाना चाहते हो बाहर, बट योर पेरेंट्स दे डू नॉट लाइक दिस, उनको ये नहीं पसंद है, तो आप दोनों में क्लैश होगा. Likewise, the same thing happens in a society. So how do we resolve such a conflict? So in democracy, how this kind of conflict is solved? The conflict can be solved by brutal power. Whichever group is more powerful will dictate its terms and other will have to accept that. ऐसा भी होता है बहुत जगह. मान लो मुझे किसी से प्रॉब्लम है, कोई मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल है, तो वो क्या करेगा, मुझे क्रश कर देगा कि तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम है, चलो भाई तुम साइड हो जाओ, क्रश कर दो इसको, प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं रहेगी. लाइक दिस हैपन्स इन मैनी कंट्रीज, बट दैट वुड लीड टू रिसेंटमेंट एंड अनहैप्पीनेस. तो लोगों में क्या होगा, अनरेस्ट हो जाएगा, अनहैप्पी हो जाएंगे लोग. इससे तो यही होगा. Different groups may not be able to live together for long in such a way. So different groups, they will not be able to live with each other. अगर ऐसा ही होता रहा तो रहना मुश्किल हो जाएगा एक साथ. But democracy provides the only peaceful solution to this problem. But we have this solution in democracy. No one is a permanent winner. So we all know that in democracy no one is a permanent winner. If someone comes in power for 5 years, then we have the power to change that person. In a diverse country in India, democracy keeps our country together. So these three arguments were about the effects of democracy on the quality of government and social life. So अभी हमने 3 arguments पढ़े हैं. These arguments are, showing us that how democracy is effective in social and political scenario. So, but the strongest argument for democracy is not about what democracy does to government. But जो सबसे strongest है, सबसे strongest argument है जो prove करता है कि democracy बहुत अच्छी government है, वो क्या है? That democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. कि democracy क्या करती है? Citizens की self respect को बना के रखती है, उनकी dignity को बना के रखती है. As we discussed above, democracy is based on principle of political equality. Because कैसे बना के रखती है वो सबकी dignity को? Because that is based on the principle of political equality. Politically सब equal है. On recognize that the poorer and the least educated has the same status as the rich and the educated. सबका status एक सा ही है political scenario में. सबको इक्वल चांस मिलता है, सबको इक्वल राइट्स मिले हैं. दैट्स वाई डेमोक्रेसी एनहांसेस द डिग्निटी ऑफ पीपल. पीपल आर नॉट सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ अ रूलर, दे आर द रूलर्स देमसेल्व्स. इवन व्हेन दे मेक मिस्टेक्स, दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर देयर कंडक्ट. सो पीपल बाय देमसेल्व्स आर रूलर्स. हाउ वी आर द रूलर्स? बिकॉज देखो, 5 साल के लिए हमने वोट किया, उसके बाद अगर कोई अच्छा लीडर नहीं है, किसी ने अच्छे से काम नहीं किया, तो हम चेंज कर देंगे उसको. मर्जी किसकी है? पीपल की मर्जी है, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अप टू हियर ओनली वी विल स्टडी टुडे. सो वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द 4 आर्ग्यूमेंट्स ऑफ that is for democracy. We have studied from here this one, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 एंड आगे ये हम कल पढ़ेंगे. सो रिवाइज दिस चैप्टर थॉरोली, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव ए नाइस डे.